Session 6. At family. The hat chat. Pat and I sat down to chat. "I love your hat," said Pat. "I love your hat," I said. I looked at her hat. She looked at my hat. They were the same. We had the same hats on when we sat down to chat. Now answer these questions. You can answer these questions in the comment box below. Question 1. Why did they sit down? Question 2. What does chat mean? Question 3. What did they have that is the same? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and share World Pointer.